Basketball, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Yes, we're in a February, so you know so it is Black History Month, so I'm in a Black History type of African attire. And oh, it is also Reggae History Month, so yeah, big up all of that. But anyhow, let's get right into the countdown. Social media top 10 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Popo prank. Me doorknob. So you know say I Heart Money, he's been doing him, you know, him usual pranking stuff all about in a Kingston, Jamaica, yeah. I'll know the boy can't come out of Kingston with him prank them. But anywho, he posted this one recently where apparently him and him friend them go and pretend say they are warring, so them a fight, and then when somebody come to intervene, them just kind of play it off by doing some little ring game type of play, tweet type of stuff. So you know it a go on good, it a go on innocent and all of these things, but yes, them say all good things must come to an end because at one of the spots there, man decides say he is going to go and do the prank in front of some police officers. And when them are seated and then find out say it was a little plan play thing, this is what happened afterwards.
5 minutes later.
Money. Run.
Wow. Yeah, Jamaican police after them do our play, them do not hard care about any hard prank. Why are you hard wasting them time? That is how the popo why mids. But anyhow, you know him did release, so it was really nothing serious. Then they just put him in the van back because them do want to show so them actually do something. But boy, money. But yeah, I look forward to more of them. But just once again, be careful because you know Jamaica we not used to them type of pranking culture here. Okay? Don't do them something you don't do. That's one thing. Don't touch right? Youth. Number 9, Cry Me a River. Mirizla. The other day, you know, Rebel Salute did go on, and you know the usual thing, you know, one bag of Rastafari and you know congregate in a center, and you know people who love reggae music come out and can look forward to a good show. But you know, with any good show in Jamaica, there's always some problem with the lineup and artists going over them time. And subsequently, I think Bushman was affected.
See, don't make me play my last song.
Make Bushman get another tune to Honorable Fix.
Downtown.
Because they're supposed to perform for about 20 minutes, but you only end up actually I get to do one song. On stage, get an interview, and boy, people, this is something that you are rarely see in Jamaica.
Earn out the car when I drive out.
A Jamaican artist openly crying.
Period of time, the music was treating me so bad, you know. And we work. Bridget, you tell me, say.
Wow. All me have to say is that Bushman are one of them artists that him don't need to have a current song for can sell a show. I've been going to the Rebel Salute for almost about 2 years now. I'm not gonna lie. When you see if you're round at the back of walk ahead, hide the bathroom, and you hear Bushman voice, right there and then you forget say, but I want to relieve yourself. You go straight to the stage for go taking the man performance. His voice just commanding like that. You only want to hear I am born a wicked downtown, don't know when she happens. We love that you down. Red one do. But yeah, the brother they kinda upset, but you can't say him hold it. Him never was hard disrespectful to the promoter. Him you know Rebel Salute. Him kinda just hold him composure and him suggest say the promoters them try to see if them can put a third day for the weekend festival. What do you people think about it? Burritos? Comments down below. And now check out the first random video of the week.
See it? Much goat me have, baby. You see if you never they left, you don't have them too. Much goat me have, girl. In girl, I left.
Number 8, touchdown covers. My word, my sentence. So, you know the big bad song by Stylo G.
Just touched down in the airport.
Yeah, man, and you know, there was a page, I think, at Tropics, did a post up some people, kind of do for them like a counteraction, them like a remix to the song. And when first girl did do it, she have one colorful ear. She do fair song, and boy, I don't know if it was a promotional post, but the people them decide so them are gonna beat her bad. In the comments, but not even, boy, just look on the video what she do.
Gold digger just touched down. She round like an English pound. Huh? Just touched down in a lace front. Well sharp, it never blunt. Bust down, wrist icy. Me no spice, but me spicy. Roll out in a hardy. Face pretty like Barbie. Everything on fleek, brows well neat. Highlighter pop, face well beat. My success, it a kill them. Show the grills for my teeth them.
So then there came this girl called Onika Music, and she decides that she need to go defend and have like a justice for the rhythm. And she come out with fear big bang counteraction.
I'm ignorant for the ready day.
No man, look on the video. So when my girl start to talk, she start blink.
I beer E that I jump on the rhythm, yeah. The rhythm is so bad, the rhythm, yeah, I know for beginner. Anybody dep on the rhythm, yeah, them not for regular. Anybody make this a rhythm, yeah, pick up a cellular. Me just touch down on my ex. He ma beg me lick a sex. Send me for me to my ibex. But my man check the text and know me can't left to right and all my extra vex.
People like that you're afraid of. You're afraid of that because you know so that girl is hard dangerous. Like no blinking for about 30 seconds. My word. Yo, my must can freestyle something. Yo, just touched down from Wakanda. The girl 52 color like panda. Me say she kissed me pan the veranda. 9 months time I'm really big like Santa. Yo, bro. Yo, level. Yo, Bomba to freestyle that you know. Talent. But yeah, people, what did you think about the two songs? Which one do you think they better? Comment below. You ever there, yeah, yet sometimes you want to go up on the road and you want to tune into like one good football match, the Red Stripe Premier League, but if you're on the road and you just can't bother where me I gonna get to sit down around the TV. No need to fear. You have a app now that you can use from anywhere. It is called the Island Sports Network app, or if you're kind of old school, you can draft for the website still. This app and website is like the, what we can say, is like the Netflix for Caribbean sports. Yeah man, that sound good, Barry, that sound good. So yeah man, I can get for stream the Red Stripe Premier League matches, whether it is at Kingston or China, Thailand or even Antarctica. Once you have the website and the app, you're good to go. But Max cover, not only that, with the Island Sports Network app, you can get for stream all of the Barbados Premier League matches and the Trinidad Super League matches as well. All of that for the low price of $3.99. Can you believe it? You get that plus other Monday night football games that you wouldn't normally see on TV. But here what, you see, because you harm my burritos and always supporting me, make a bust up on a deal. You see, if you use the promo code DUTTY, that is DUTTY, you will get 50% off your first month. So it becomes just $2.99 for all of this good deal. So run in panic, I'm going to put all of the information down here so you can, the app is available in Google Play Store and on iTunes as well. So the Apple and Android users only think govern. So yeah man, that's the Island Sports Network. Make sure so you go and download the app right now before the video down. Just pause me and wait. Alright, thank you very much. Back to the countdown. Number 7, Stefflon versus Stylo G. So you know, we just don't talk about that song we call Touchdown. And boy, oh boy, I do not know what Stefflon done, but Stefflon decided, say she going to have a issue with the old fact, say Stylo G, the brother who have the Touchdown song, never really want her pan the rhythm for a counteraction.
Just touched down pan it in the day.
I can take you somewhere nice.
I'm sitting with Drake.
And she put up some me I gonna read for you right now. Trust me people, they were her a little bit below the belt. Up in there all the way, bruv. You're back, boy. You and your whole real friend, you got my shit taken down. Don't play with me, Stylo. It's gonna get pike. So then Stylo G replied, hashtag taken down. So then after that went on, Stylo G posted the screenshot of the DMs and posted this caption. This is the kind of BS I have to go through when people in the industry don't understand the business and copyright laws.
My whole family tried turn against me, that's a sad thing.
But me want to know what we have to say about it, because really me honestly not really care. Up till now, me don't really understand what really are going on. Is it just like a friendly thing we just get out of control, or them really have beef from long time? Or is the beef not with Stefflon and Stylo G? Is it with Nicki? What do you think? Comment down below, burritos. Number 6, Marky. Me bread back. So you know, say every couple of months there's a new personality that is going to emerge on social media. Them are going to go viral, them videos are going to here, there, and there. Them are going to get new followers, and all of these are excitements. So the newest person to, you know, I guess, you know, join that long list of online personalities is a brother by the name of Marky Markland.
Aye, lady, get up off of your back. Get up off of your back. Every day you have this broad pocket boy and mash up your future, mash up your front line and nag you nothing. Me eat you. You's a man lalelo. More putting on boxing with Fly Mayweather. How you do it? Because when me broke, me can't function. My heart a pinch me. My blood pressure raise. Me free blind like blind Bartimaeus and cripple like Lazarus.
But let me know, burritos, have you seen any of his videos then pop up on your timeline, on your Instagram page since 2019? Comment down below. Number 5, Jamaica helps. Meet O'Neil. So this video went viral recently in which a woman by the name of Lisa was actually asking the public for support so she could actually get some monies together to fund a surgery that she needed urgently for her eye.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just playing. I'm asking you, or anyone out there, I'm asking for help. Supposed to do a surgery and I don't have it. I'm asking.
And so after that video was posted, countless Jamaicans, you know, they offered up help. They tried to reach out to her to see how they could assist. Somebody set up a GoFundMe page, and trust me, people, they wanted like I think was it like 10,000, and they got even more than that. Boy, oh boy, I just love to see stories like this. It really shows you, say, you know, with, you know, beyond the cas and the drama, we're going on the shooting and the crime and all of these things, that Jamaicans at the bottom of the day, that Jamaicans at the end of the day are really supportive and kind people. And now it is time for the second random video of the week.
Say Reagan King was just a breakout artist 2019. Reagan King was the artist of 2018. Not just the breakout artist of 2018, you know. You see me? So even if them no one give me them acknowledgement there, you know, reckonably.
Number 4, Elephant Woes. Me ultrasound.
Why me, Lord?
So dancehall artist Elephant Man got the attention of the police force recently after this video was seen with a young lady apparently, you know, placing or giving a gun to him. The police them look on the video and, you know, them do some little check and apparently find out said the gun wasn't licensed.
Why me, Lord?
All of a sudden them they want Elephant Man for coming for questioning. Elephant Man get him liar. Them do some little talks, find out, say, yo, everything is good, all of the stuff them squash.
And so we anticipate that this is the end of the matter and the energy god is back and forth. Good to go.
Elephant Man, you know, you should have said when the police them want to bring it in for questioning. I've seen enough gun before, but I never seen a gun like this. I've seen enough gun before, but I don't want to come top the list. Alright. Number 3, Maka Age. Me juki.
I'm a caduceus. You ready for my baby?
A little controversy has been going on online because nobody cannot find the correct age for Maka Diamond. But you see, when you go on Google, it has released that Maka Diamond is 77 years old. You tell me no, bad to bad. We know Maka Diamond never did ban before independence, so now go on a little bit too bad now. Where you get 77 from? So Maka Diamond was asked the question about how she'll react to the whole thing about people are saying, Google are saying, Wikipedia say that she's 77-year-old. This is what she have to respond to the people then.
Public service announcement to make, because Google has been going around with the people saying that I am 77 years old, so I don't have much to say, more than they have to talk to my lawyer.
Wikipedia?
So, yes, I'm going to be suing Google. Oh.
You must hardly be joking. And then a couple days later, look like the people that never like some Maka Diamond and talk about Sue. And they are added up about 30 and more years per Maka Diamond number. And said that she is 114 years old. No, come on. Now what kind of Bible days age I give Maka Diamond? I know in the usual style, Maka Diamond I show said that the critics them not really get to her. So she don't her penny no hater. Because she went on Instagram and posted like a video with her and her mother have like exchanges about her age and how youthful she look. When
I said I'm 77.
Right.
So you're how much than me?
Yeah, right. That's what I want to know.
Yeah? So my mother there, she said she not dress up yet, but so I can't too be there.
Yeah, no.
So you know them say me at 77, them they say 144.
And I am your mother, I'm 68 years old.
Oh, box cover, so I'm me birthday then.
You know.
Even that she said she not dressed, I'm not to bring her up on the camera. But my mother said I'm me birth her. So where you say me you birth me?
Yes.
So we have to say to the people that I said me at 77.
When you back off of my daughter, leave her alone. Not jealous and not jealous her because she look young and sexy and nice.
No, so my easy. Move me by, we're gonna house, see you soon. Love you.
Love you too, my darling. Love you.
They don't know that young coming out with jeans. They don't know.
Yeah, no, back
You know what, me done? What you have to say, Burritos? What do you have to say about this whole debate about Maca Diamond age? Comment below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run club. Sing along. Well then, pick up the friend.
So first, me have to go big up Usain Bolt pan him 40-meter dash world record. Boy, you can imagine you retire from athletics and you still a broke record. Wow.
On your mark, get set, go! Come on. Come on, get there! Get there!
People were there with the brother himself mixing lab and him have a brand new album. Wow, you mentioned say it's the first sort of beatbox album emerged from Jamaica.
First beatbox album in the Caribbean.
Wow, yeah.
Because if you check online and check in the stores, you never see that.
Yeah.
So I decided to say, alright then, we're going to do it. And Roro Jammins present that one day. So I said, and she said, right now, lab, we need to drop a beatbox album. We just talked about it from 2 years ago.
Yeah.
We have it in mind and all these things. So we said, alright, this year 2019, we'll drop it February the 25th on all platforms.
Alright, so how many what you call it, tracks?
Yes, tracks.
How many tracks are on this album?
Right now we have 9 tracks on this album right now. 9 beatbox tracks. Unique, different type of style. You don't know anything about. And not normal.
What is the title of the album?
The album name Mini Stereo. Mini Stereo. So you know what that means? It's unique, different. This means it's a beatbox album. This means I say.
Alright, so if you want all the information, I'm going to put it down in the description. So make sure you go and download it on all digital music streaming platforms, right?
February the 25th. And also, I am doing the launch in Montego Bay, Rehab. It's me I say that's on the Instagram album launch on a Sunday. It's me I say February the 24th. And also, make sure you reach early because it starts from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. And at 11 they get done exactly 11 p.m.
Alright, so before we continue to go and stress out the brother on the show, I'm going to just give the people a little preview of what is Harmonic, the album.
Yes.
Hold up.
That's a dubstep. If you
And oh yes, we have to big up Horn Edge Fashions for actually making this like an African piece. I don't know when I go wear it go again, but yeah, I'm gonna just find one function. I think I can go in at NYC like this now the call. If you know say everything well covered and everything governed. You okay?
Energy God let you know that you're watching Dutty Berry social media countdown. Oh na yeah.
Number 2, Meek Mill J.A.
But he can't do much. Cause you with the kid now, LMA.
Me fridge stop. So rapper Meek Mill, you know, touchdown in Jamaica. Him get her welcome from the world boss. Him decide say I'm gonna link with the whole of the unruly camp. And some Rasta artists, everybody take this big epic picture. I'm not gonna lie, like everybody in there just look like one entire epic entourage. This look like the whole crew where Popcorn walk with on a regular date. So yeah, you know, Popcorn welcome him and look like everybody go take a trip to Blue Hole and you know, him go learn how to go dive. Well, him never really catch it too well because I know him chest burn up right after this. But that is not what we really want to talk about. What we want to talk about is the fact, say, Meek Mill and him crew are making way around the country and police are decided to stop him. So same time now Meek Mill go catch him free. That's a Lord of mercy. Why problem? And the popo always have to find me. But in typical Jamaican style, it was not because Meek Mill did do nothing. It was just because the police them did want to meet and get a picture with the American rap superstar.
Trying to take a picture, man? Y'all pulled us over and y'all said y'all want a picture, man? Y'all scared us. We scared of police. Y'all gonna pull us over and say, we thought we get locked up. Y'all say y'all want a picture?
Not like that.
Not like that?
Nothing like that.
They're gonna give us a police escort out of Kingston?
Where you going?
Just give us a police escort out of Kingston. Y'all pulled us over and we thought we...
Wow! This is Jamaica. But right about now, I feel wonder, them police officer, yeah, them are getting a problem, or this is just expected. I'm not gonna lie, like, if me are the one police, and me see one big celebrity like Beyonce and Jay-Z, me feel like I probably would have used my power to try see if I could get to at least see her up close. But I just like, yo, something wrong with the car, like, yo, me I do a routine search, me I look for chewing gum, like, yo, chewing gum ban in Jamaica, what that? And number one goes to... Beez Hive! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. So this video with this new artist, boy, how do I? Beez Music or whatever I'm one name, it just got all over the place recently. Can you believe it that this video not that fresh? It's not that new, but all of a sudden 2019 come and it decide say it going just be the biggest hit song of last week. Beez Hive! Beez Hive!
Hey, you know E.G. the girl them going crazy for me. Beez Hive, Beez Hive. Hey, you know
the music video by Beez Hive Music. You know, back in the day when you have a good low budget music video that it just shot, that is what that is. Yeah man, Beez Hive Music, shell.
Hey, me if I clean and tidy, the girl them no want avoid me.
Then at some point after the video began circulating, Prince Pine do film like a refix of the whole thing and yeah, pre.
The girl them going crazy for me. Priceless, the girl them like me. She love for me lively.
Out of nowhere, the man Instagram page just a dude. It is Beez Hive Music, so feel free to go check him out. I'm gonna put his name right there. So if you want more what comedy and more humor, more entertainment value, you can run on his page because yeah, the video Beez Hive. Beez Hive, the girls are intense, girls it for me. Beez Hive, Beez Hive, Beez Hive, Beez Hive. Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching another DuttyBerry social media countdown. I hope that you are enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, man, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like, and also to leave a comment because I know what if a time when I don't want to leave the comment when I watch a video and don't want to comment. Leave a comment below. Just say anything. Just comment all A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video and also to subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and all of these things, it is at DuttyBerryShow. Make sure you follow me, especially on Instagram, at DuttyBerryShow. If you want to email me, book me, or whatever for advertise in the social media countdown, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, people, take care until next time.
Going crazy for me. Beez Hive, Beez Hive. Hey, you know me, teacher D. The girl them going crazy for me. Christly.
Yo, hey, box cover, impover all the topics like a hymn pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.